When we think of philosophy, we go to the Greeks. We start with Greeks. How can we start with Greeks when 400 BCE, they didn't even have a real society yet? 400 BCE, Kemet had already went through 29 so-called dynasties. 4,000 years of existence. And you start with the Greeks? You see what I'm saying? So this is the stolen legacy. We're going to take somebody else's stuff, retranslate it using our paradigm. And that's why studying Egyptology today is so difficult, because somebody outside of your culture is defining your culture. That's extremely dangerous, number one. Number two, it cannot be truthful by its very nature, because you're even outside of the paradigm you're trying to explain. So therefore, you're going to explain my paradigm through your paradigm. And so that's what Egyptology does.
Some people look at African history or Kemetian history as part of stolen legacy. It's an idea that the civilization of Kemet, of Nubia, one can't really divide the two, but that civilization had nothing to do with African people, even though it's in Africa, and even though the people there were obviously African. This idea is propounded on an idea that the African had no place in history except as a slave. This idea was purported in the 18th and 19th century by European colonialism and imperialism to separate African people from a history and to therefore claim that we were not human. If that can be separated from the African personality, then you can provide a justification for colonialism and imperialism.